Welcome back, Trader Troops. So, Decentraland, I'm here with a quick update on Mana or Decentraland. Will it go higher? Will it go lower? I'm about to run you down through my technicals. As always, tell you where I think it's headed, where I think it's going. If that sounds good to you, just make sure to smash up that like button and subscribe. And hit that bell notification icon if you're new. Also, if you're interested in getting 25% off the Measuring Markets program, check out the link in the description down below. The first 5 people to use that link will get that discount, so be quick. So let's get into the video, all right? So, Mana. Last time we spoke about Mana was a while ago. Now let's start off on the daily time frame. Okay, the daily time frame, we still have this ABCD pattern in play, roughly around $6.80, and that is from A, B, C, D. It just represents an equivalent move higher from this point right over here. Now, we're also going to see that if we take a look at the daily RSI, we're still floating above that overbought area, which is actually a bullish sign. Okay, this is not a bearish sign. This is actually a bullish sign. The fact that RSI can maintain above that overbought zone is actually a sign that the buyers are actually buying in large quantities, right? They're actually holding that level, and that tells us that buyers are buying, right? So if buyers are buying, that's not bearish, that's bullish. So let's drop down to a 4-hour time frame. What we're going to see is that we had this Gartley pattern that we broke through as expected. We retested that level as support. Okay, so resistance does become support, and that's why you don't just delete these key levels. Once I show you these key levels, make sure you draw them on your chart and keep them there for a long time. So let's drop down to a 1-hour time frame to get a little bit of a better understanding of potential entry points that we could be looking at on Mana. Okay, so we just bounced at this previous level of resistance, okay, between $4.37 and $4.20 or $4.20. All right, so we can see that we just bounced off of that, and we saw that we kind of consolidated a little bit here and then broke out of that little range right in there, which is a bullish sign again. We also take a look at the 1-hour time, or the 1-hour RSI. We're going to see that we're hovering around that 50 level, or the midpoint on the RSI. And if you don't know, if you can maintain above this 50 point or the midpoint, and that is just the upper half of this indicator, right? If you maintain above that, then you are technically speaking in an uptrend. You can see that whenever we rise in price, we kind of maintain above, for the most part, that 50 level. So you can see right there that we're bouncing at that 50 level currently, which is a sign that a potential uptrend is in the works. So if we know this, and we also know that we still have that ABCD pattern on the daily time frame right over here, okay, and we want to capture that move higher, an entry point that I'm personally looking at is probably going to be somewhere between $4.80 and $4.60, this green zone right in here. Why? Because it's a reaction zone. You can see that we've had multiple reactions in this area in the past, okay, and that's kind of following the money, right? If there's reactions in a zone, it's probably because there's lots of money changing hands in that zone, and that's something that we teach in the Measuring Markets program. Again, 25% off your first month if you use the link in the description down below. So what I'm looking at on Mana is going to be a retest of this area right in here between 480 and 460, and then a continuation, which is obviously going to take some time, but an eventual continuation all the way up to $6.80. We do have that new strand of coronavirus floating around, which caused a lot of the metaverse hype to die down. Once all that hype comes back, because it probably inevitably will, okay, once that hype comes back, we should be ready to capture that next move higher all the way up to $6.80 from our buy point. That's around 42%. This is not financial advice. Always trade on your own accord. Don't just follow what I do and say. And with that being said, make sure to smash up that like button and subscribe if you're new, and hit that bell notification icon so you never miss another post, because I post the latest and greatest cryptocurrency technical analysis. And again, feel free to check out the Measuring Markets program for 25% off. Link in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.